Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Pro not activating in FaceApp. So if your app's Pro isn't activating, it's usually a purchase Apple ID sign issue, not the app stealing your subscription. So actually guys, first you will need to tap on restore purchase and don't skip this. So inside the Face app you will need to go to the settings, so the gear icon that's located at the top left corner, and here you can find a restore purchase option. It's the fourth one, so just tap on it and this reconnects your subscription with the app. So right here you will need just to go with your choice, wrong apps or accounts, or your subscription expired. So just choose one and then go with okay. All right. And also guys, I do really want to make sure that you're using the same Apple ID. So subscriptions are tied to your Apple ID, not the app. So you'll need just to go to the settings or your phone's settings, device settings, and then just tap on your name right here. Okay. Or your Apple ID here. So once you tap it, you will need just to check your name, and if you both Pro on another Apple ID, it won't activate. Okay, so it should be the same here on the purchase. Okay, and also guys, I do really want you to log out and back into your Apple ID, so this refreshes the purchase sign in, and even check in your internet connection. So activation needs a stable connection. You will need to switch to Wi-Fi and the mobile data and avoid the weak networks. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.